Good morning, guys!
Morning, guys!
It's December 23!
23!
Yay!
Old school.
So guys, magkakape na kami.
While playing Andrew music. Ang lamig.
Stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems.
Go!
Search muna si Tito.
Quick grocery run before mag-Christmas.
Oh, man. Ay, punta ka...
Tapos na kami mag-grocery. Ito naman, last, yung kay Ate Risa dahil sobrang alaga niya sa mga kids at sobrang mahal niya rin yung mga kids namin. Kaya deserve niya to. Pauwi na rin kami, guys. Magsispend kami ng quality time sa mga kids. And then bukas magsi-celebrate na kami ng Christmas with our family. So yun lang for today's video. Bye-bye! Merry Christmas, Ate Risa!
Thank you, thank you, thank you!
Bilakin mo, te!
Kimse!
Yay!
Thank you, thank you!
Merry Christmas, Ate!
Thank you!
Ito, bye-bye!
Basketball muna kami. Kuya. Hi.
Ati!
Monkey daw.
Hindi ko, bye!
Careful! Shoot, Max! Shoot! Hi, mga pogi boys!